Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Break Time. Another great looking set here from Funwhole. So this is the medieval Apothecary Shop. Now it looks sort of like a shoe shape, so you know old Mother Hubbard who lived in the shoe or lived in the cupboard. I can't remember the nursery rhyme. Anyway, cute little minifigs in this. We get an owl that sits there, and with every Funwhole set, lights are included, which is a bonus, makes it easy to install when you're building. But we're gonna open it up now to take a peek. And we've got a very heavy instruction booklet. There's a set of stickers here, and oh, you get a cloak piece. Oh, that must be for the potioneer, little man who makes all the medicines. So a little bit about Funwhole and the inspiration behind this set. I do like these instruction booklets, they're very nice. Oh, and you get a big battery pack. You need to supply your own batteries, and they show you how to connect everything properly and how to take them out without breaking the wires. You got to be really careful with that. So 2 minifigs are included in this set. Few sets here from Funwhole. Oh, I have those, the medieval sets there. I've got that little newsagent. So that looks pretty cool. It's a bit shiny, sorry. I've got a new camera, so I'm working out how to use it. 402 steps in this set. Nicely packaged set of lights here. I like how neatly it's put in there to protect everything. So we'll open it up, have a look. So just 2 bags for this set. And oh, it's brown controller. And we've got the tweezers, make it easier for wire installation. So there's the 2 bags of lights and the power pack. Quite a lot of packets in here. With that, I think there are 10 numbered bags for this set. And we've got some pretty cool looking pieces in there and nice colours. Yeah, looks good. Quite a lot in there. So 1,470 pieces all up. Wow, that's going to take me a little while to build. And I don't know if I'm dressed for the part with my bum bag, but hey. Alrighty, let's review. This little guy is the apprentice. Very good printing on these little minifigs. He's kicking up his leg there. They look really good actually, apart from their arms sort of. But here's the old man. He's a potioneer and he's wearing a bum bag. So I was in timepiece, I guess. And I love his cloak. His whole look looks really good. We have an owl, and I love that they have actually started printing faces on the animals now. Even the cat, the black spooky cat there. I like that cat. Okay, the start of the build. So the base, we've added lots of lights here, and you got to make sure you do follow these instructions. You do get quite a lot of these pieces with little indents in there, so you don't actually crimp the wires. I think they've really thought about wire placement with these new sets. I always test it out to see if they all work, and it is all good. So I've just popped the flooring on now. I just wanted to show you before all the wires, but they are really nicely hidden. And we've got like a little table here with a book and candles and a set of scales to weigh all the herbs and other bits and pieces to make your potions with. The front entrance area now. The roof is really nicely done. I like the different shades of green. We've got the little sign there to show you that we're making potions here. The colour palette is in theme of the medieval style. And once again, wires. I think they have really worked on wire placement now. So this part here is the little store. And I really like the design of this. It really looks medieval theme, and the battery pack is nicely placed as well. So here's the little store. We've got lots of potions and herbs inside. Very, very detailed. That's what I like about these sets. And so to access in there, you just remove this panel. Very easy to remove, and now you can see everything inside also. And that's holding together really well. That battery pack is not coming off. Just turn the lights on again just to make sure everything's working, and it is. I've got like a little straw hut there. I must store some things. There's the black cat. We've got lots of things growing in the garden, so it's very colourful. I really like that. Lots of herbs and flowers to make your medicine with. The second floor here, and once again wires all nicely hidden. So this is the potion refining room, and we've got a little booklet here on all the herbs and other things that you collect from the garden. Mortar and pestle there. Lots and lots of detail in this little room. I really like it. Continuing with all the wooden beams going up, we've got curved beams also, and then you open the little door so you can actually look into your little room. So it's really nice. You can lift it up, open it, and the wires are once again well hidden. I like the vine hanging there. Looks really good. So this floor for the bedroom level is not removable, so I guess that's why they've got that door on the back, so you can see inside here. Cute little bedroom level, so detailed. We've got hanging candles there, lots of arches and wooden details outside, another little book there to work on, a little like stove, very nice. So I'm just going to place it on the first level. You're going to make sure you line up the connectors for the lights properly so they work. Just get it on there we go. Now I'm going to switch it on and it works. So that's what it's meant to look like. And if you lift it up, the lights will stop working in a second, you'll see. See how I lifted it up? And now you just press it back on. It all works nicely. What a very detailed set. Okay, so this is the roof section done, and just some extra beams on the outside. We've got a window that's poking out there, and I didn't realise that was meant to be on an angle. Didn't look like that in the picture, so that's really nice. They've really done a lot of build techniques in this set. Here's the roof, and they're like shingles and bits of straw in there. Another great build technique. I haven't built like this before, so that's how that was done there. And I like the colours, the different greens. It's just different to the normal straw and hay colour. So I think it just slips in there and it holds on nicely. Yep, that's in properly. Yeah, I really like the look of that. It's different. It's really nice looking, and the owl is going to sit up here and observe everyone walking past at night. Here's the other side of the roof, and look at this chimney. It looks so different. Like, great designs, great build techniques, and once again that just slips in there easily, but it holds together well. So that's pretty much done. I've finished it. The Apothecary, I think that's how you say it properly. Now we've got to pop the potion guy there and the little apprentice. He's going to be in the garden picking out all the herbs. I thought I'd show you what it looks like next to the medieval market, and it looks great. So they've really tied in the colours together to make it look like part of a village. Just change the roof colour, which I really like. This is a really nice looking set. Actually, they both are really, really great looking sets. The Funwhole Medieval Apothecary set. Love the look of it, love what it's all about, and it looks so good within the medieval village. The placement of wires they have really thought about now. I've noticed it is a lot better. You don't break the wires and they're not crimped and they're really well hidden. So if you like medieval building sets, this is the set for you. So everyone, get your bricks out.